This is Sean, the host of Hot One. This is Melissa, a famous corn star. Now, yesterday they went public with their relationship. However, today news broke that they broke up. Here's why. Now, this is Adam22 and this is his wife, Lena the Plug. They both host a podcast and they're also amateur corn stars. Now, they invite guests on their podcast, and after the podcast is done, they have SEX for their Lonely Fans account. Now, yesterday, Adam22 tweeted that, "Congrats, Sean, your girl Vajiji is fire." Shame on Adam22, knowing that his wife got her back blown out by this guy, Jason Love, who is a professional corn star. To make matters worse, Adam and his wife Lena did a threesome with an amateur guy. And while the dude was blowing Adam's 22 wife back out, he was high-fiving Adam22. What kind of fucked up shit is that? This is the reason why you don't get into relationship with S-worker, because you'll be embarrassed publicly.
Beating your wife makes too much noise. That is why a London bylaw in 1895 made wife beating illegal between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. During the day, it was all right.
What the fuck kind of law was this?
What's the cheapest date you'd go on?
My house. Like, I will go on a date that's just at house, Taco Bell, McDonald's. I'm a very cheap date kind of girl.
This is even for a first date.
I would say that's like basic third date. McDonald's, just watching a movie. But first date kind of thing, I'm like, you can take me to a park, like something easy. It makes me less nervous, lets me get to know you, talk one-on-one. I don't like screaming over bars, so.
So why would McDonald's, Chipotle be like Taco Bell be date 3 as opposed to 1?
Because if I'm letting you go to my house on date 1, I think that says a lot about me. So we have to wait until date 3.
But there's a lot of women that go to guys' house on date
100%.
1 or vice versa.
Respectful 100%. You do you, but as me, I'm like a very small person, so I don't trust men enough to have them over my house and vice versa.
So if you let a guy come over first date, what does that say about you to you?
I can be a slut if I want to be a slut. I'm scared. Guys can be scary. So I just want to make sure that you're safe and a good person before I'm bringing you over and before you're bringing me over.
Listen, if you let him hit on the first night, don't be upset when he doesn't call you the following day. Don't be upset if he doesn't want to date you. Don't be upset if he doesn't want to court you. Don't be upset if he doesn't want to be with you, because you already gave him the prize. You gave him the gift before he even worked for it. The fuck?
How do you two meet?
Long story. This is my
My
wife's best friend.
yeah.
Didn't turn out too good for your wife, I assume.
No.
When
not
you're a
too
raging
much.
cunt, it probably won't ever turn out right.
Ronnie.
There's a quote. Don't try to understand women. Women understand women, and women hate women. Perfect example.
Oh yes, 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 yes. Ah.
Bro is either ready to risk it all, or he's like, what the f is wrong with this chick?
What is the first thing that pops into your head when you see a really hot guy?
Damn, he's hot.
I hope he notices me. I observe how much work he's taken to get there, the physical and mental discipline that it would have taken to get to that point. I reflect on the fact that that must have taken some good qualities and character for him to have achieved that look. I don't immediately think about, oh, I want to sleep with him.
I think that I see them and they're hot and I just want to sleep with them.
I think that's actually a perfect example of how different people can be. What I see is I see the effort that they put into that. What she sees is a really, really hot guy that she wouldn't mind getting in bed with. Everybody's different, men and women.
So 3 in 4 women, when they see a hot guy, they want to bang. Interesting.
Why should men have any obligation to fill women's emotional needs if women don't feel any obligation to fill men's physical needs?
We try to fill men's physical needs, but if it gets boring at times. Like if you're not giving us the same reciprocation of emotional, like we need emotional support, and I will suck your dick, okay? But other than that, like if you're not emotionally supporting me, you don't deserve to get your dick sucked.
I just don't know a woman that won't fulfill their man's needs, like physical needs. But I do know many men that won't fulfill women's emotional needs, so I guess I'm stuck.
I'm lost for words. The moral of the story is fulfill your woman's emotional needs and you'll get your suck. I'll drink to that.
I had 5 guys over this week. I love flirting and I love messaging first. This app makes it so easy to flirt. The matching is super fast on this app. I clicked, I like them, they clicked, they like me. Boom, we were matched. It's time for you to break the ice in a super easy way and find the right vibe for you. And you can totally do that when you try out once.
The only 5 guys you should be having in 1 week is this. These goddamn TikTok dating apps, they're getting out of hand.